Hi, my name's Jack Finlay. I work at a kitchen depot. I attended WorkingRite for 6 months, 7 months. Well, I was walking down the street one day and then I seen a big sheet of paper on this lamppost and it was a WorkingRite sheet. So I took a quick photo of it and then a couple of days later I phoned up, got an answer straight away, and it was Anne, and she just explained to me what would happen and asked if I would go down for a meeting. I did. So it was nice to meet new people. And then, of course, with Anne, she was like so much help, so yeah, I was keen to start working as soon as I could. I get in about 7:10, have my coffee, my breakfast, 8 o'clock start, so everybody's at their benches or machines, just whatever you're doing. Personally, but I work on a bench, I build drawers, so when I'm building the drawers, they come in a box. I just bring the box over, build the sides, and then it's just the sides I put onto the bottom board. And from there then I just build that, put it into the base and send it over to get wrapped. Everybody in here is great, like there's no one bad thing you could say about MD. Well, I don't know man, there could be a couple, but my biggest achievement, actually staying here, like at the depot, by far, timekeeping and stuff. I'm surprised I'm here. I said to one of my friends about it, I said it was amazing. Got me in here and he went and tried it out and it put him in a placement as well, and now he's hired.
My name is Graeme Ferguson. I work at the kitchen depot, I'm production manager. I've been here for 8 years. First heard about WorkingRite due to a site visit from Anne and Maureen. Jack was introduced to us by Anne. He was a kind of shy individual as he started. Quite nervous to come into a workplace, but still quite excited. As a mentor, usually with somebody like Jack, I would have him a couple of days a week to introduce him to a workforce in a workplace, which was quite comfortable for him. He's really developed, really pushed himself forward, and really been available for any aspect that we've asked him to do, being very, very comfortable. And we've given him a full-time job based on building drawers for customers' orders, and so he completes the kitchens, does paperwork checks, does individual checks on quality control, and overall he's worked it really well, really well. Yes, I would recommend WorkingRite to any employer. I have done, and I believe there's other employers have used them through myself and communication from that point, but yeah, definitely.
WorkingRite has had one of the biggest impacts on my life. They've set me up with a full-time job. They've put me in this place where I feel welcome. For now, I see myself in the kitchen depot, of course, just working away until I'm good 65, then cash my pension in.